This is Maytag dishwasher. Recently, I've noticed that the dishes are not dry, and it seems like the heat is not working, so it's not hot enough to dry. So it looks like all the buttons is working okay. So I believe it's not an issue something to do with the buttons. So I'm suspecting the issue is with this heat element. This is one of the top reasons that dishwasher have an issue with drying issue. So I will show how to check this heat element is broken or not and how to fix this. Before you start anything else, first you have to make sure the dishwasher's main power is off. So my main power line circuit is D10. So this is the right one. Alright, I just turned the power off, so nothing is on. Just want to make sure everything is good. Alright, that's perfect. So I gotta take this out. Okay, now I disconnect the power. I need to pull this out, whole things. Before I pull this out, I gotta make sure the screw on top need to be pulled out first.
You guys ready for payday? Okay.
So I unscrewed for both on the top, so I can now pull this out.
Saturday because we'll start that for next week.
And I can easily pull this out.
You got newspaper every day, so that's $1 for you for that. Becky, you got mail every day, so you get $1 for that. And Elliot, you brought in the trash. $1 for the trash. Libby, you brought in recycling.
Mom, I'm confident that I can actually buy that.
Alright, as you can see, I finally pulled this out. Alright, as you can see, now we will get underneath. I finally pulled this out. Now we will get underneath. There is wire that connects to heat element. So we're gonna pull this out. One. There's one more. Using plier. One more arch. Now this is using plier. Gently. The other side. The other side. Okay, now you can take it out. Once you take this toothpaste out from the bottom, okay, now you can take this out. Go to the front. Once you take this toothpaste out from the bottom, you can take this. And you can go to the front. And then you can take this out. We can take this. Alright, so this is the element. First, as you can see, I take this out. Alright, so this is the heat element. So first, as you can see, there is some discoloration. So this might indicate that there is some multimeter. You can simply check if this works. So using simple multimeter, you can simply check if this works.
They don't want you to just take out all the money all the time. Hey, did you put any in your gift envelope, Elliot? Nice. How much did you put in your spend? $2? And then for save, you're gonna save that. Nice. How much did you put in your spend? $2?
Let me see.
And then for save, you're
Alright.
gonna save that for
There must be some disconnection in the inside of the heat element circuit. Alright. Because it's supposed to be there must be some disconnection in the inside of the heat element circuit. Because it's supposed to be make
Okay, so
beep noise from multimeter from Amazon.com. Let me try with this. New one I just purchased from Amazon.com. So in this case, if we connect between the two multimeter function that you can check if they are conducted or not. This is multimeter function that you can
So it's
check
definitely
if they are conducted or not working.
do you guys know what taxes are?
There's no alright. So it's definitely this is not working. So this is definitely there's no I need to replace this
So something that
and
costs
connection. So this is definitely broken. So I need to replace this and this will fix the issue. Okay, I just put everything back. I put a screw back on the top, 1, 2, and then also I connected the power line. I just put everything back. I put a screw back on the top, 1, 2. So everything ready to go, and I connected the power line. Turn on the power, and then put the cover on the bottom. It will work. So everything ready to go, and I even loaded the dishes. So I will put this in, and then heat it properly. It will work. Alright. So I will put light and then heat it dry. I can see sounds. It is running. Alright, looks good. Hopefully once everything is done it will be dry and it is running. Nice. Alright, looks good. Hopefully once everything is done it will be dry and nice.